Now, while the judges are tallying up all of their scores to figure out what to do, I am going to add to this little performance. Oh, that's stripping. Settle down. Now, some of you who have been here before, you may notice that I have a haunted sock drawer. My sock drawer is filled with the ghosts of celebrities that inhabit the socks, and they keep me up all friggin' night. One of those said that if I would perform something with him, then he would let his rock and roll spirit go back to wherever rock and roll legends go when they die, and then I will finally sleep. I am so excited. I don't want to do this, but the guy is a jerk, and I agreed to do it anyway. So, also, he's been dead for a while, so he's a little self-conscious about the high notes. So if you could be encouraging when he gets the high notes, it would be really kind of beneficial. So, all right, here we go.
Success.